What is food science? What is food technology? Their similarities and differences, yan ang ating pag-uusapan in this video. Hi, this is INJ Flores, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Food Technology. Gaya ng sabi ko sa intro, we will talk about food science and food technology. And this will to give you an overview of what you will learn from this channel. Okay, let's start. Both food science and food technology deals and studies one of our basic needs to survive, our food. According to Institute of Food Technology, food science is the study of the physical, biological, and chemical makeup of our food. It also studies the causes of food deterioration and the concept underlying food processing. Food technology, on the other hand, is the application of food science to the selection, preservation, processing, packaging, distribution, and to the use of safe food. To better understand, I have here kamote. So if I will give this a food scientist, he would ask, what is this? So this is the question he tries or he would answer. Okay, so aalamin niya rin if this is really a food. To know that, he does experimentations. He would slice this and do tests and analysis. Food scientist studies the nature of food, its compositions from its peel to its core. So he would say that this kamote has an orange pigment, carotenoid. This kamote is rich in carbohydrates just like our cereals, grains, and other root crops. He would also tell us the toxicant present in this food, if there is. So this kamote might have Ipomea maroon, which can cause pulmonary edema or can damage our liver and kidney. Food scientists also knows the microorganisms present and can be present in this kamote in different specific environment or conditions. He also studies the processes and changes that might occur in this kamote. So balikan natin yung sliced kamote. And as you observed, there is a strange color change. Bakit kaya? And of course, sasabihin sa atin ng food scientist na dahil ito sa enzymes or enzymatic reaction, which again, the nature of this kamote. After all these experimentations, tests, and analysis are the results. And these results will be the baseline information and where a food technologist's job begins. The very nature of food that a food tech would never want to happen is food spoilage. So, if I give this kamote to a food technologist, he would ask, what should I do with this? Ano ang gagawin ko dito? Ano ang maaaring gawin ko dito? And to answer this, he applies food science. And the application of food science is wide. It starts from the selection up to the use of safe food. A food technologist would say, a safe food from farm to fork, or from gate to plate, or from grass to glass. Paano ina-apply ang food science sa farm or sa gate? From that point pa lang, we should select the best quality materials to be used. So, we only accept those without bruises, or those without mold growth, those pH levels and sugar content are at this range, at marami pang ibang parameters. Through the results of a food scientist's experimentations on the properties of this kamote, we food technologists would know what processing and preservation technique could be applied. So just like other root crops, we might say that this kamote can be processed to flour, to chips, crackers, and other similar products. Let's say, gagawa tayo ng kamote chips. Ang processing technique na pwede natin gamitin ay deep oil frying, which is the common technique. We can also use oven baking or air frying. After processing is packaging. What is the appropriate packaging and labeling materials to use? Dapat ba nasa glass container or pwede lang sa papel? Baka may interaction kapag ito ang gagamiting packaging material. Ano ba ang labeling requirements for this product? Kapag ba i-export ko itong product na ito, same lang ba ang label or should I change it? So masasagot yan ng food technologies. Distribution and storage naman, perhaps you ask, where should I keep this? Dapat ba refrigerated or pwede lang sa room temperature? Dapat ba sa dark places or pwede lang sa direct sunlight? Okay? So we apply food science up to the fork or to the use of safe food. We still apply food science up to the point na isusubo na ng consumer yung product. So nasa isip ng food tech na dapat hindi sira yung pagkain. Kasi you are expecting na expiration date niya, for example, is next year. Yan po ang food tech. He assures safe food from farm to fork. Okay, ang dami kong sinabi, di ba? Okay, but to sum it up, kapag food scientist, he answers, what is this? He's getting to know more of our product. Kapag food technologist, he answers, what should I do with this? Okay ba? May natutunan ka ba?